Welcome. In this video, we are going to look at modules and testing the code in those modules. So for this video, we are going to look at the special entity called __name__, and we're also going to see how that relates to module testing. So let's dive right in. Let's begin by having a look at what __name__ is. And it's simply a string, so let's print it out. And we see that it has value main. Now let's create another module and see if that changes. And we're going to create a simple module, and let's call it string functions. And let's see what happens if we print __name_ in here, and it is also main. Now let's import our new module. So when we imported string functions, it ran the code that was in the script, which was print __name__, which returned string functions, while the script that we were currently running, which is 7.4.py, had our name value equal to main. So what this means is the script we are running has the value main, and everything else has a different value, which is the name of the module itself. And we can use that for testing. Let's start by creating some functions and then testing them using our name constant. Suppose I have a function, and all it does is it gets the first half of a string. Something very simple, very basic. So s, get the length of the string, divide by 2. So this will get the first half, and just for fun, let's also get the last half. It's going to look a lot like this one, except we are going to move where the colon is to get a different substring. Perfect. So now we know that if name is equal to main, which means we are currently running this script, then we can do the following. We want to test if our functions work. And a nice way to do this in Python could be to use the assert keyword. So assert is a keyword which takes a condition, a true or false condition. And I'm going to say first half of A, B, C, D had better be AB. Otherwise, we can just say first half is failing. And I know that if I run this, that this code will get executed. Let's be a little bit more explicit. Testing string functions. And you can see that testing string functions actually ran this code right here. Let's copy this and make one for last half. So the last half of ABCD had better be CD, and then last half is failing otherwise. Perfect. And if I change this to be D, we can see that the assertion error gets thrown and we get our message last half is failing, which is what we wrote right here. But however, note that since we're only importing the module over here, we don't get the message testing string functions because name is not equal to main, meaning we are not currently running this script. So using the if name is equal to main condition simply says, we are currently running this script, what do you want me to do? And we can use that to our advantage to write some tests for the current module. Since we don't want to run the tests every time we import the module, just when we are actually building it and testing it. In this section, we looked at what the import from and as keywords are, how to read Python documentation and sift through the Python API, how to create our own modules, and how to test those modules. In the next section, we are going to look at our final project for this series, and we are going to look at Python picture manipulation. I will see you then.